Hello everyone, my name is Rabish and you are watching my YouTube channel Ravishgola, where I share daily practice video to learn German for beginners. Today is 10th day of our learning series. In today's lesson, we will learn future indefinite tense in German. So let's begin lektion-10. Lernen Futur I. It means in English, learn future indefinite tense. हिंदी में कहें तो भविष्य काल में वाक्य बनाना सीखेंगे. First of all, we will learn verb conjugation of future verb. So in future sentence, we use in English will and shall, but in German we use instead of that werden. Werden. So first of all, we will conjugate the werden according to the subject, and then we'll try to make some sentence for practice so that you can understood the concept. So learn where then. If the subject is that time we will remove an in the end of the infinitive form of the verb and only will add a in the end. As usual we do in verb conjugation of sentences in German. Okay, so here is the subject is that time we use where. The subject is do that time waste. If the subject is er as he, that time is wird. If the subject is ear, that time it makes or it converted into virdet. If the subject is we as eg, that time it will be in the infinitive form. So where then, according to the ish where, with the do waste, with er as he with, and if the subject is ear, that time it is virdet. Okay, so you notice here we use the same rule which we have used in indefinite of present tense. So if the subject is E, it means is, that time we added a. If the subject is do, we added este. If the subject is er as he, we added nothing. If the subject is E, at that time we have added a t. Okay, so the same rule we have followed in future sentence also. So try to make some sentence so that we can easily understand the concept. The first one is हम cricket खेलेंगे. In English, we make it we shall play cricket. But in German, wir werden Cricket spielen. So German sentence rule says subject, then auxiliary verb or helping verb, then object, and then main verb. As we have learned in our previous video where we have learned modal verb. So that time we also followed the same rule: subject, modal verb, object, and then main verb. So this whole rule followed by each sentence, present, modal sentences, and future sentence also. The next one is मैं school जाऊंगा. In English, I shall go to school, but in German, ich werde zur School gehen. Gehen means जाना. So according to the rule, main verb always comes after object if there is available auxiliary or a helping verb. The next one is वह खाना खाएगा. He will eat the food in English, but in German, er wird das essen. Here is the das essen is khana or essen is खाएगा. So it is the noun and the second essen is main verb. According to the subject er, werden has been converted into wird. The next one is tu kitab padhega. In English, you will read the book, but in German, du wirst das Buch lesen. It means लेजिन मीन्स होता है पढ़ना. Okay, I hope you understood the concept because you already watched my previous videos, so it is very easy to understand. We will meet again in next video with next sentences. Till then, tschüss, danke.